Hi guys, so today, sorry about that. Today I'm going to be mixing together all my slimes. Tonight I'm going to Arthur the King, the Golden Retriever dog movie. So I got my little bin. Well, it's actually quite big. Can't fit on the screen. Wait, you guys, I'm going to put it down here. And I'm going to get my favorite slimes. Okay, I got these, and I have 5 drawers of slimes. So I'm picking my 2 favorites from this first drawer, Boba and Ice. So I'm gonna do Boba first, because it's like my new favorite. Oh wow. I haven't checked on it in a while, so it's a little sticky. So, I'm putting it in the bin real quick because I need it.
Yeah, no thank you. There's no way I'm kissing that train wreck.
Wait, but then you'll lose the challenge.
She's literally so ugly that I would do anything but that.
Really, Isaac? Now look what you did.
Look at that cry, it was disgusting.
Isaac, that was...
Sorry guys, I'm watching YouTube while doing this.
Because men aren't babies.
So, I'm going to be also mixing the ice.
Every single one of us.
Look, you're gonna need it.
No, you're just locked. Let me try to talk to her. Can I come in? Hey, are you okay? Hi, Rebecca. I just wanted to see what Isaac said.
Sorry. Jeez.
Don't let him get to you. Besides, I'm the perfect man to get back at him.
Okay.
This is the mystery night.
Come on.
Then you win.
That's too easy.
Okay.
Let's up the stakes. If I win, I
I
get to pick the
swear,
next
phone
challenge.
don't drop.
So sure.
Let's meet your
Okay. So here's the slime. I added some activator. Look. Still good slime. So here we go.
nervous, Isaac?
If you hear it like really actually loud, I'm sorry.
Because now we're gonna
I
find the
just
mystery girl the boys will be
like hearing. It's like a podcast for me.
I'd bet money on that. She gets straight A's, loves cat, and goes by the nickname Smart Girl.
Lola.
Come on out. Say something.
Okay, so the next drawer is down
Boys,
here.
I'm very excited to meet you on today's challenge.
So we have bedtime. It's not my favorite, but
After what Isaac said to her,
this
there is no way
is
he's gonna be able to win this challenge.
a nameless slime.
Challenge number 1. This
I think it has a name, but
Each of these boys have a red flag, aka a reason you
still
might
like
not want to
it.
date them. And we're going to see which one she thinks is the worst, and that person will be eliminated. Let's see the red flag for contestant number 1. I practiced kissing on a teddy bear.
In my defense, she was a good buddy.
It's a teddy bear. Okay, mystery girl, what do you think? Is that a red flag? I don't think it's that bad. I feel like everybody does that. Wait, not everybody does that? Contestant number 2, your red flag is that you once went on a date with 2 girls at the same time.
okay.
That's a beatable number.
So it's been more than 2?
I'm hoping it'll be 3 next time.
Mystery girl, what do you think about that? That's a 2-to-1 ratio. That could be a 3-to-1 ratio. That's a red flag. Contestant number 3,
Okay.
your red flag is
I'm gonna start with the bottom because the top is all the way over here and I can't reach that far. Yes, I'm filming on my phone. So this is my iPad right here.
Every weekend and cry over all of them.
Sorry.
All right, mystery girl.
Okay, we're set.
No, not at all.
So we have. What's my favorite?
You got lucky this time.
I keep on forgetting that I choose my favorite and not all of them.
Why you want to date them, but you need to
We have
eliminate
Froggy.
the one you think is the
is really bad because it's already been chewed, but the 2-to-1 dating just doesn't add up for me.
So, who do you want to eliminate?
Boy number 2.
Oh my god. All right, contestant number 2. I'm sorry, but you have been eliminated.
Whatever, time to go beat my record.
I felt lucky that she actually liked his red flag. There's no way
Okay.
she's not getting eliminated in this next round. This
My second favorite is Rain. I actually had to put, the tape wasn't strong enough, so I had to put slime to hold it.
Round 1 is shoes.
Okay. So I really like it because it's a nice texture,
No, he's got to be 3.
How do you feel
because it has some rocks in it.
to you?
I think they're cute. They kind of match my white sneakers. Definitely casual.
And contestant number 2.
Ooh, I love a brown boot. Definitely seems like someone who's outdoorsy and maybe professional.
And contestant number 3.
Wow, they're so clean and nice. And I love a guy who's into sports.
It looks like the contestants
Okay.
are tied. Moving on to round
We
2,
have
which is their pants.
one more favorite slime, which is grape. It's just a little bit ripped, so don't mind that.
Let's see how you feel about each of their pants, starting with contestant number 1.
Okay, so I love this look because the cuffs are super functional because he won't trip.
And contestant number 2.
I love that he put his pants inside of his boots. Very smart.
Smart was not the word I was going for, but I get it. And finally, contestant number 3.
Wow, so definitely super
Okay.
like maybe opposites do attract.
Okay, we have one more round, and after this, you will have to eliminate one of you contestants. So,
Froggy goes in. Sorry, it takes a long time for me to put in all my slimes.
now let us know what you think about each of the contestants' jackets, starting with contestant number 1.
Okay,
I'm really sure how I
then we're
feel
going
about
on to the middle one.
but
These I actually got yesterday, but they're not my favorite.
Oh my gosh!
you are a
So I'm taking my favorites.
Oh, I get it, like pie the math sign.
I'm loving sequins, definitely a party formal vibe.
Okay.
So very nice. Thank
So we
you.
got flamingo.
That's a skin!
Oh my goodness.
Okay, you've now seen all the contestants' fits, but you must eliminate one. Who will that be?
I appreciate all of their outfits and the effort they put in, but I just think that contestant number 3 might be a little bit too much for me to handle.
Okay, I'm sorry, contestant number 3. You have been eliminated. Bye! I have a cousin who might be interested. No! Number 3!
I can't believe he made it to the final round.
At least the last round is kissing. He'll never win. He's a terrible kisser.
I cannot believe it's down to this final round, but as long as she picks the guy in the sequence, then the girls win and he will be eliminated. This is the final round of the challenge.
Okay.
There are only 2 contestants left, and you
Next
will
one
pick each
is
of them, and then you will
Dream.
decide which one you want to go on a date with.
I'm nervous. This is going to be my first kiss. And I guess my second kiss.
Well, pucker up, Buttercup, because contestant 1 is coming in now. Go
Okay.
ahead.
If you want to know what it looks like so far, here's what it looks like.
No way. Why would I use kayak to compare hundreds of travel sites at once?
This one is grass.
So, what did you think?
That was really nice. But in fairness, I definitely have to see contestant number 2.
Dude, that was amazing. You gotta have these things for kisses.
Oh man, I don't have one.
Why don't you take mine? May the best man win.
Thanks, appreciate it.
Do another one. Do another.
Contestant number 2.
What you give me,
Get in there, man. Get in there.
Okay, moving on to the
What
last
is that?
floor.
Oh gosh. What? Oh, that smells really like a fart. Like a fart? Okay, thank you, contestant number 2. Oh my goodness, I smell something. Okay, you can take off your blindfold.
Okay, I got all my favorites.
You have 2 contestants.
So,
You can vote
first
them.
we have
Who
water.
wants to be the winner of the date?
I think both really have a lot of potential, and there's a lot of great qualities about them, but I can't kiss another fart. So I'm going to have to pick contestant number 1.
No!
That means he's won more challenges than us.
Great choice. I must say so myself.
Okay, fine, Isaac. You got lucky because she had to have a fart kiss.
Don't act like you don't give those to Matt all the time. I got lucky twice. You got lucky once.
And because I won the last challenge, I get to pick the next
Okay, the
challenge.
next one
But
is
the girl
nameless.
is still going to win, and you're gonna have to apologize
I like to
all of
call
us.
it
We'll see about
unicorn.
that, assistant.
And it's
Since
a
I
huge
demolished that
slime, so
last
it's in
dating
this
challenge,
huge
I get to pick the next
bell.
challenge. But I couldn't think of just one thing, so I came up with a wheel of manliness.
Great, more chances for the girls to beat you.
All right, who wants to spin first?
I'll go. Let's go, you got this!
Ooh, push-ups, and I'm not talking about the brawl.
It's okay. She did 36 in PE last week.
Oh,
She'll totally be able to beat us then. Let's go, Zebra! The person doing the most push-ups in 30 seconds wins. Go!
The next one is beach.
Okay, I guess Isaac, you won that one.
on to the next.
I thought you could do 36 push-ups.
Obviously, I'm experiencing muscle fatigue.
Okay, listen, leave her alone. We can still win this. Team girl, let's go!
All right, you think you're so strong? Let's see how you do against me.
Arm wrestling or lip wrestling if you want.
3, 2, 1, go! Let's go! Come on! Come on!
Wow, your hands are so big.
You really think so?
No.
I was lost in the beauty of her eyes.
Oh, looks like someone just lost to a girl in arm wrestling.
At least she touched me.
Okay, and the last one, that is my favorite, is,
Burping
I don't
contest is
know
you full of
what
hot
it's
air.
called. It has a crack in it, but it hasn't leaked.
I don't know how to burp.
No, it's easy. It's just like a fart, but reverse.
Yeah.
Too bad.
Today you can.
Don't worry, I believe in you.
You got this. Go, team girl! Whoever burped
It has sand in it, so it's super
Who says that? Kiss goes
deactivated.
first.
Oh, you're on.
But
on, Liz! You got this!
still good.
Yeah.
Yeah! You burped! Oh, yeah! You bet, Isaac!
Ew. Smells. Okay.
Like victory.
Okay, fine. You won that one, but you haven't won
Okay.
yet. We still have 2 more girls to go. Give me a second. Ew, listen. If we win,
Well, guys, now let's mix it. So here's what it looks like. Oh. Okay, I'm gonna mix in the like green part.
spicy.
Wait, you gotta see this.
Spiciest hot sauce. Each of you will put it on your chip, and the first person that has to drink the milk loses. Enjoy.
Okay,
I
now
was
the
gonna say ladies
purple
first, but
part.
I'm not sure what I'm sitting next to.
Just win the challenge.
Okay,
Oh, put it in on 3, 2.
I'm gonna mix it. So, guys,
Come on. All we have to do is win the
feels
next 2.
so.
Wow, it's getting pretty hot, right?
This has nothing on Hellfire.
Oh my gosh, this is hot.
What's wrong, Isaac?
Go ahead, give in.
Come on.
All right, I gotta drink it.
It's pretty hard to stretch. So you're gonna need some muscle power.
The girls have tied up the score, which means it all comes down to this last round.
So this is the bin I like to mix stuff.
Is drop coming from your face?
Yeah, crying from victory.
Let's do that. Let's go! Right.
Don't break a nail.
Girls, it all comes down to this. If I can win this, then we are one step closer to getting an apology from him.
So here, look how beautiful that is.
This is the karate challenge. Each round, the karate board will get tougher to break.
Okay,
The
guys,
first person to fail
thank
to break
you
the
so
board
much
loses.
for
I'll go
watching.
first since you don't know.
And don't forget to like and subscribe and hit that post notification bell. Bye.